Howdy. I just realized a few minutes ago that I have a personal technique for how I open my gun's cylinder with one hand that I don't remember showing on YouTube. So I'm going to show you how I do it. Now, be warned, before I do this video, there are bullets in the gun because I want to demonstrate them falling out. But it has a transfer bar, so it's safe. So, to do this, you want to start from the normal position. Insert finger into the trigger guard and start spinning like that. Now, why do I do that? It's because I want my hand to be accustomed to the feel of the gun dropping. Because it's that drop that's important. I'm going to turn it this way. So, what you want to do for the unload is let go, so the gun drops, and when it does that, kind of give it a little bit of a, so you can catch it, like there. Now, hopefully your entire index finger is not in there when you do that, because you want it to be more like this. So when you do the next part, you can, without it getting stuck. So you want to drop, catch, and then use the pad of your finger to pull, and all that in the same movement, so when you pull, it will flip over to here. And then let go, so it'll drop down to here. I know, so lots of things happening all at the same time, but I'll show you. So that. Now, why do I do that? Well, that is the cylinder release. I think I spelled it right. So how that works on my gun is you pull it this way, you can do it, but as you noticed, I have a hard time doing that. But with this, now I can. And you saw me when I got to here, I had to push it out a little bit. That's so that my thumb can have the leverage it needed. So, real time. And yes, I'm going to be spilling ammo on the floor. I'll see if I can catch them with my hand. So that's what it looks like. That's how I would unload my gun quickly, easily, and while I'm doing that, because it's all in one hand, I can even get out this with my left hand. So I can do all the different motions and actions with my two hands. I would say about equal to how most people do it with two hands. This part. Most people do that with two hands, not one. But I had to find a way that I can do it easily. So I don't know if I would recommend you try that, but if you want, because I think it kind of looks cool. But either way, hope you found the video interesting, and I will see you later. Happy trails.